Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby.
My name is Heidi.
And we are going to be going over why you are going to lose so much money in alts if you hold during a bear market. Yeah, this is one thing that people are going to learn a huge lesson, especially the noobs out there that haven't been through a bear market yet. It's rough, guys, and this is why we are going to be selling our freaking alts.
Yes.
Without a doubt.
Yes.
All right.
So here's a question. This is brought to us by a CT Club member. For those of you who are interested in what we have to offer in the CT Club, there's a link for it down below, so you can see the description there. But basically, you can see our portfolio, trade alerts, and submit questions when I do AMA callouts.
And we got a cool Discord.
And a cool Discord.
You can ask questions all day long, all night if you really want to.
Make some new best friends in crypto.
Exactly.
There's some cool people in there, for real.
Very cool people.
Okay, so here's the question for today. If dips happen, why do they happen on a lot of coins at the same time and for the same duration? It always looks very coordinated. What is a trigger for all that selling to happen? Great question. It's definitely a common one that a lot of people notice when they're first coming into crypto. So, why?
Okay, so high frequency traders. So, for instance, bots that are selling due to like whatever Bitcoin's doing. So if Bitcoin goes down, they're selling because they don't want to lose any money, you know, and sometimes it stops as well.
Yeah, I mean, there's all these programs that people are always asking about. What do you think about this trading bot? And it's a service you can buy, and you can hook it up to your exchange account, and it'll buy and sell coins for you based on an algorithm. So just imagine there's all these people who are paying for the same service, and all their accounts are hooked up to the same trading bot using the same algorithm. Not to mention the fact that probably these trading bots are using very, very similar algorithms across the board. So that's why I think you see a lot of this commonality, because they're doing these trades no matter what coin you're investing in. It's just a really generalized trading bot.
Yep. And also they're looking at the same patterns as well on charts as well. So, you know, a lot of people, they're using about 6 or 7 different charts or whatever. And they're like, okay, so this and this. And
like for those who do TA and they have Twitter accounts or YouTube channels.
The RSI, oh my gosh, it's going too low or whatever, or going too high. And then they're like buying or selling due to that. And then you have massive amounts of people that are actually doing that at the same time, trying to do that. So they're all buying at the same time. They're all selling at the same time.
They're not doing their own research, guys.
Exactly. So that's kind of why we dollar cost average.
Yeah.
And it's been great for us.
Yeah. Just that concept that how many people are actually doing their own unique trades. They're not just copying trading signals from other people, not to mention people who have huge audiences and everyone, like you just said, they're just copying, or it's a trading bot.
Hardly anybody's unique in this space anymore.
And then there's the people, you layer on top of that the people who are investing that don't know anything or care anything about the coin that they're investing in. It's just for profits. So once they see it start crashing, they're going to panic sell because they don't know anything about it.
And talk about panic selling. So when you see Bitcoin reach the top, like people are going to dump their alts so fast because everybody else is.
Yeah.
You know, they're all going to see the top, and
they're
going to have their top indicators, which they all share as well. So that's why we are going to get out a little bit before that.
And that's the key, guys.
Yes.
The early bird gets
everybody know
the profit worm.
In our CT Club, when the heck we were getting out within 5 minutes of that. I'm not going to be holding bags on that. No way.
Yeah.
I learned my lesson. I'm never holding my bags again.
Yeah.
Except Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Yeah, we're okay with those bags. A little bit of baggage is okay.
Yeah.
And on top of that, a bonus one is this thought of, okay, well then why are there some coins that are outliers? Why are there some coins that don't dip as much, or maybe don't dip at all, or are bouncing back stronger or better than the rest? Most of the time, these are coins that have, I think this is something that is far more common actually in this bull market than in 2017. Because everything was just a white paper and most of it was vaporware. But so here, this is the bull run of utility, decentralized exchanges, liquidity providing, NFT markets. Not that those are going to be, impervious to a bear market, but during these little dips during a bull market, maybe we see coins that are performing better because they have real utility that people are actually using these coins for, that they need those coins to be using to get the benefits that they want. Yeah. So they have some cushion there, and it's more difficult to get that sell pressure for those coins because people are actually using it. Maybe they're locked up, maybe they're staking, maybe they're earning more profit as a liquidity provider, who knows? But anyway, there's the bonus explanation.
And here's another one. Okay. Most people don't know what they're getting into, and they don't care what they're invested in, so they're going to panic sell, and that is one of the reasons. So it goes down 3%. They're going to sell, and then that's going to bring the price down more because so many people are selling, and then that's going to hit stop losses and blah blah blah, and everything goes. So. Yeah.
Did you get that sound effect really
nice?
That
was hopefully did right. So yeah, this is why we're going to be very careful with holding our alts. We're not going to be holding our alts during a bear market, and we are going to be taking it out earlier than probably a lot of the traders out there, because we all know that the traders have their certain spots and everybody else has their certain spot, kind of, give or take a little bit from both ways. And so that's why we will be getting out earlier. And I think that's really important. That's a huge lesson that I've learned before, is to get out of alts. Because they are going to all follow the same trajectory, which is down. It's going to be very fast going down. And I don't want to be holding it. Maybe you do, I don't know. But I don't want to be holding that bag. So anyways, that's all we have. Please like, subscribe, and check us out on our CT Club. So if you want to see when we're going to be selling this, you'll be the first to know, literally. Yeah. You're the first to know. I tell you guys before I tell Heidi. Anyways, talk to you soon. Stay disobedient.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.